All right, well, let's go for a little nature walk. We're on the outskirts of Saratoga Springs. Well, it's a beautiful day here in upstate New York. Late afternoon in kind of like mid-May. It's actually been sunny most of the day, but as you can see, it's kind of clouded up a little bit. Perfect temperature. Okay, now is this what I think it is? Yes, it is. Yeah, I'm gonna probably edit that out. But anyways, just needed to go for a relaxing walk out here, listen to the birds, get some fresh air. Figured I haven't made a video for a couple of weeks, so why not make one today? All right. By the way, I'm filming on a different camera than I usually use. Yeah, kind of swampy. We've had a lot of rain in upstate New York. I would have to think it's going to be pretty buggy out here a little later in the season. Actually, it is starting already to get that way. But it is very peaceful. Nothing much to this video, just going to be a peaceful walk. Nice to see some foliage on the trees. The leaves are back. You gotta love the spring. One of the best times of the year. I mean, have you ever had one of those days where you just gotta get some fresh air and listen to the sounds of nature? Of course, I can also hear some cars off in the distance, but let's kind of ignore that. Oh, there's something, there's an animal. Some kind of a beaver. I don't think it would be a groundhog. It's climbing in the tree. I really don't know what it is. Some kind of a medium-sized rodent. Nice to see a little wildlife on these nature walks. And I guess you call those forget-me-nots. Those little flowers. Got some pine cones. And I actually thought I heard an animal stirring in the woods. Hello. Okay. There definitely is an animal a few feet into that tall grass. I think it might be a bird or something. It's rustling the leaves and making some noise. It is a bird, I think. Yep. Yeah, normally I wouldn't try to get too close to a wild animal. It's usually not a good idea, I think. All right, well, that's going to do it for this walk and for this video. I appreciate your hanging out with me and coming along for this walk. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was relaxing, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.